Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is LOIT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you Autism Spectrum Disorder Detect with Artificial Intelligence Python programming language. So for this case I will go to the project. So and before that we will run the Jupyter. I have run it. I will show you the first Jupyter. I have installed that video already. I have uploaded in my channel, YouTube channel. It has been, see, it has been coming, and in my browsing site, see, within, see, this is the home project. Here my localhost dot this thing has, so I have created the project desktop. Here the ASD, see. So I will introduce first ASD dataset. See, here I have two dataset. I have worked with the toddler. It is coming. See, this dataset, the first 10 Q chart score is the behavior quotient, and the next quotient thing has been row column has been revealed the different column with different name. And also this is the autism screening. Here is the another, this is toddler, and here is the age difference has been included, see, above 18. Now in two data set I will work with the project. So where I will go back, there I have working my thing, ASD for myself. See, here the ASD, it is coming. See, now here the code, here the import pandas as PD, this is the rename. This thing has been uploaded or working. And also the ASD datasets, autism screening, I have taken the first dataset. I have shown you this dataset, and let's run. See here the start sign, that means it is executing. When it has been stopped, see, stop, the thing has been run, and go to the next. So here the next, when I will give the run, see, run this sale and advance. See, the thing has been retrieved, that is called the retrieve. This link database has come. I will show you ASD dataset. Here the ASD dataset link path, this autism screening, see, autism screen.csv, this come has here. So how many dataset, let's again check this, how many row, sorry, column, this again, this have, I will do the box plot because of reassemble the data set. See, this data has discriminating, we have to do the synchronize or outlier things. Here the min max, then we will do the transform. So again I have clicked, see, min max, maximum is which is dismatch the data, and this, the data has been here above 18. I will go to the next. Has been this data set has shown, see, the 21 column 1 row with data 1, data 1 has age, which one is, and the thing has been here, see, max value, the data, this is the max. Let's check the age, where the age above 18. Now go to, I will drop this thing, which drop index 52. See 52 index I have been delayed. So if I will run this data, let's check what. Copy and go to the new data. See here the insert a cell. I will recheck this thing. Paste. Copy. Also this have here. Run. See. Next the maximum value which carry the 7 index number. See here. This also have been changed. Now I want to drop this. This has been already dropped. This is the next import math plotly. This has not worked as because this has nothing. So I will cut this thing. Here the max plot. See the data statement has been nearest to this. This indicate I will remove. I have removed the outlier thing. So this chart, see the value out of boundary. So this value I will remove. That's why I have used the drop. Where the drop. Sorry, I have delayed it. Okay, let's I have dropped. But if I check the code, also this is the drop. Well, let's forget about this. Here the things. Now here the ethnicity. Ethnicity have the character value. This is the character where the ethnicity. See white people, ethnicity. See white people, ethnicity, Pacifica. So in this command I have shown what kinds of data or value has. So this is the null column, but there have value. Column name null, but there have value. So ethnicity I will give the things. So ethnicity data 1, that means I have data set. I have keep the data set name ethnicity, and data set name data 1. Sorry, and the ethnicity has been a column. So here the dataset and string dot replace others and others. This has been replaced with the others. Also here the these others and these others, all three others, this and this and this. These two others equal to the one other sign. This has now here the thing. So how many others have 126? So let's check calculator. 95 plus this other 30 plus one others. See 126, and the thing has 126. See, the thing has been proved. See other. So here the transform. Here is the transformer. Again I have do the data one relation. We have also another thing transformer. These others I will show. This is the previous thing. Others have 5 value, and these others have 95. Is there have any others value? No. So again I have to, and others 95 plus only 5, this has been equal to 100. Now go to the next. Relation also have this, and no need to country of residential and age distinct. So that's why I have dropped this. Drop also the gender F equal to 0 and M, that means female 1 I have kept. So gender column, in gender column I have seen where F female or male. Now I will do the change of the binary value. Where the value? This value, when I keep the run the thing, see also check the gender 0 1 1 0 binary convert. Now I have, when I have dropped the 21 before, now it has 19 columns with 703 rows. This is the Jandish, also has column, has also no, yes, no means 0, this thing and this line are the same. This, and again check this, again check this, Jandish, see the 120, the 1010. Yeah, the this one's also the, hopefully the 4 things has been 0. What this use app before 0001 or something like that. Now the data one, this is the specify of this thing. What there have, I have class ASD, yes or no, the last thing class or ASD, and here the thing has yes no. See the class ASD, this column name a class or ASD, yes no, I have converted to the 0 and 1. See, this is the now final algorithm processing. This is algorithm processing, pre-processing. Click encoder decoder thing, also again ethnicity, how many types, this also pre-processing thing, also pre-processing thing. Here is the heat map, here all about know about the heat map. First we will use here the transform, means x converted, drop the, when we have suppose x is equal to data 1, data set 1, that means first whatever I have taken the data set, this data set name 1, and this data set I will drop the class and class or ASD. Which one? This last row I will drop. Where and y data set I have taken, and comparison to the thing has been how many or not, prediction type or detect type. So here is the form model selection. This is the input train is split train. I have run this X train up train first 20%. Here the 0.2 means test size. I have given the things at 20% test, and rest of the part has been taken training. When I have this logistic regression algorithm SVM support vector machine has been worked, the score has been 1, and the precision recall upon score support, that also has been created the thing. Now confusion matrix we have worked. See here the things that has been revealed which have 1, and next has been SVM. See the SVM, where we declare SVM. See here the SVM. See scalearn.sbm sbm factor we called. Click here sbm test sbm. Here the things 0.97% okay, doesn't work. Again the classification report, what have precision recall, or if you want to score classification report, we have, when we import the this classification report bear carry the fourth thing. Now the thing has been matrix also. Now the random forest, it has been work or not. See the random, this code has been error. This code run, see the result has been one, and lots of vector I have apply this here also the report, this not. Now the random forest regressor. So before this is the classifier, or here the regressor. Also regressor point result has been shown 1. This also 1 reveal. Confusion matrix. See. Now the KNN, that means the key neighbors, K neighbors classifier, as well as the thing has been revealed the 97.97. Here also the report. Now decision tree classifier also 1. Also 1. Here the gradient boosting classifier, ensemble techniques. Its grade has been 1. Add boost, ensemble learning. So here the thing where I have shown in this is how is being support. Supervised learning has been revealed how many how this is the SBM hopefully. Here the add boost classifier also revealed the 1. Also the precision classification report has been revealed the 1 extreme G gradient boost also the 1. So whatever the things that I have applied, the all SBM SV sorry supervised learning that I have been admitted, and the most of the cases the result has been shown 1. First of all, we have to memorize or the things. What the thing is, pre-processing step is the big issues here. I have pre-processed the step by step. I have detected the outlier things which have there, and I remove the things. Also, I have transformed the data. Others transform column name has been, all the things has been changed. Pre-processing this time I have fully connected and clearly I have done. That's why the result has been clear. So in this way we can do the things applying artificial intelligence algorithms method. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.